Hey everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing of the Shure MV7 Plus podcast microphone. Now this is the successor to the very popular Shure MV7 podcast microphone. This mic has just been launched in India and I got this from the Shure India website. So without further delay, let's just go ahead and do the unboxing. So inside the box you can see that you have some literature as usual, and let's just go ahead and take out the actual mic itself. Wow. So here it is. This is the Shure MV7 Plus. It looks very similar to the previous gen Shure MV7. Of course, there is a difference that there is a light LED bar across here, and another big change is the USB-C port here. It was micro USB in the earlier one. So let's just see what else is in the box. So here you have a USB-C to USB-C cable. The mic has a new pop filter, so it's supposed to give superior plosive rejection, and as you can see, this mic looks very similar to the Shure MV7, but of course, like I said, there are some changes here, like the USB-C port. This remains the same, the XLR port as well, really nice, and the yoke as it was in the earlier one. So as you can see that it's a very clear-cut packaging. There's the mic itself, there's a quick start guide, and there is a USB-C to C cable, which was previously a micro USB to USB-C. So that's really good because we would have to otherwise carry a separate cable, a micro USB cable to USB-C, but now you can just take this one cable and it will do the job. Now this mic looks very similar to the Shure MV7, the previous gen, but of course there are a few changes, like there is an LED light strip here which can be customized to the color you want through an app downloadable from Shure's website, and of course once again the USB-C port here, which was previously micro USB. So that's a welcome change, and of course this is also an XLR port here which you can use. I don't think you can use both at the same time, so you can use either one, either the XLR or the USB-C. So this can connect directly to your mobile phone. I will be making a proper review on this mic later on. We will see how that works as well. So on the box they have mentioned all the features that have come with this new mic, like the auto level mode. There's a customizable color LED panel. That's this LED panel that I'm talking about, which can be customized to any color that you want. Of course, there's also a one-touch mute function, a real-time denoiser. There's a digital popper stopper. Now that's new on this model, which was not there before. You're going to be able to avoid those plosives, the P's that come out with the breath of air. You don't need a special pop filter to do that. It's inbuilt into the hardware, so those P's and those plosives are going to be avoided to a great extent using this feature. Then you have of course an adjustable reverb, which was not there on the previous one, and of course real-time headphone monitoring, which was also there on the previous one. And you have this software which is called the Motive Mix, which you can download from shure.com. This is only available for use on a computer, not for the mobile, because I checked on my Android phone and this software was not there, this app wasn't there. So you have to go to shure.com and download Motive Mix, and here you can do a lot of the adjustments and settings and customize your mic to the way you want it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the Shure MV7 Plus podcast microphone. Do let me know what you felt about this microphone, this new model, in the comments, and do subscribe to my channel and do like my videos, because that motivates me to make better and better videos for you. This is Sunny signing out for now. Take care, stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.